In this video, we'll write the Lewis structure for SbF5. So the first thing we need to do with Lewis structures, we need to count the valence electrons up. So antimony, that has 5 valence electrons. It's in group 15, sometimes called 5A. And then fluorine, group 17, sometimes called 7A, has 7, but we have 5 fluorine atoms. Multiply that by 5. So 5 plus 35, that gives us 40 total valence electrons for the SbF5 Lewis structure. We'll put the least electronegative element in the center of our Lewis structure. That's the antimony. Then we'll put the fluorines around the outside. Next, we'll put the valence electrons between the fluorine and the antimony. That'll form the chemical bond. Now we'll go around the fluorine atoms and complete their octets. So at this point, each fluorine atom has an octet. They all have 8 valence electrons, so that's good. If we look at the central Sb, the central antimony, it has 10 valence electrons, but that's okay. It can have an expanded octet. We've used all 40 valence electrons, so this is the Lewis structure for SbF5. If we look at the molecular geometry, we have a trigonal bipyramidal molecular geometry for SbF5. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.